Welcome to this video. We are going to solve longest palindrome in a string. We are given with a string and we have to return the longest palindromic substring of given string. Cool. So in example 1, this was a string and this was the longest substring which was palindromic. And similarly, in the example 2 you can see there isn't any substring apart from the one character because single character is also a palindrome, and so it may form three different palindromes because both of them comes exactly once. In that case, we are given that in case of conflict, return the substring which occurs first with the least starting index. So we return one only. Okay. And apologies for the background noise because I'm recording this during the New Year's Eve. It's, as you can see, it almost 12 in the night. So let's start with. I will store the first character of the string because first character will also obviously be the palindrome of itself, and we are also given that in case of conflict we are required to do so. So now I will traverse for the entire list, sorry, string, length of string, and then I will store j, which will be one character more than length of current result than the I. So in speaking it is quite long, but in uh, written terms it is not that tough. So it is one character longer than the current result than the I. Okay, current I. Now we will traverse for this j less than length of s plus 1. So what it will do is it will use the slicing. I will use the slicing in order to current in order to check whether current substring is palindrome or not. So I will store that in P starting with I up till j. If P is substring of itself on, it's a palindrome or not. If that's the case, then we will update the result variable. If it is, even if it is not, then we have to increment j with plus 1, and at the end we will have to return result. It is submitted for you. Again, apologies for the background noise if there is any. It's taking much time. It should not take this much time. Okay, as you can see, we are able to achieve our result in, it's taking time because it's order of n square almost, but it does the job in pretty easier way. So thank you, have a nice day, and happy new year everyone.